Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, today I will review two YouTube videos. The first review is Mastering the Art of Everyday Diplomacy, and the second review is Effective Communication Skills. Okay, first I will review and explain about Mastering the Art of Everyday Diplomacy. In this talk, the speaker introduced the concept of everyday diplomacy. While most of us think of diplomacy as something between countries, the speaker explains that it also happens in our daily lives between individuals, families, and small groups. The speaker asking the audience if they consider themselves diplomats or know someone who is, showing that diplomacy can be part of everyday interactions. The speaker shares his personal experience as an ambassador serving in international diplomacy. However, he emphasized that what he really wants to talk about is how we can practice diplomacy in our daily life. International diplomacy is about managing relations between countries, while everyday diplomacy is about managing relationships between people. The speaker gives a story about meeting President Clinton twice, where the president greeted him warmly, even remembering him after a few years. This shows how effective diplomats can be, not just in international settings but also in everyday communications. Being polite, respectful, and attentive to others. The speaker talks about the importance of coping with differences in our social lives. Differences in beliefs, attitudes, and behavior are natural, and it's essential to handle them peacefully. To do this, we need three things. The first thing is a mindset of being uh, uh, peace and tolerant, patience, and appreciating differences. The second one is a strategy of balance, understanding that everyone has their own interests and values. And the third one is skills, both social interaction skills like understanding, tact, and negotiation, and self-regulation skills like staying calm in stressful situations. The speaker emphasized that diplomacy is not a sign of weakness but strength, and practicing it in daily life helps build stronger, more balanced relationships. The speaker also highlighted the importance of cultural awareness, understanding different norms and codes from various cultures. Finally, the speaker suggests a small exercise. The first exercise is look at someone nearby, appreciate their differences, and say something kind to them. This simple act can help practice everyday diplomacy. So this is the end of first review, and next we go to the second review YouTube video. So the second review is about communication skills in the 7-part mini course on confident communication led by Alex Lyon. Viewers are equipped with essential skills for professional development. The course is designed to help participants build a strong foundation in communication through 7 lessons. The first lesson is overcoming long-windedness. Alex highlights that being long-winded can negatively affect one's professional image. He encouraged viewers to reflect on their talkative habits and rate their tendencies on a scale of 1 to 10. The goal is to commit to being more concise, as this leads to clearer and more impactful communication. The second lesson is crafting a concise message. The importance of keeping message tight is emphasized. Alex refers to Mark Twain's humorous observation about brevity. encouraging viewers to focus on delivering the core of their message efficiently. He suggests compressing information into 2 to 3 key sentences. The third lesson is using plain language. In this lesson, Alex stresses the use of plain English to enhance clarity. He argues participants to avoid complex vocabulary unless absolutely necessary, opting instead for straightforward words that everyone can understand. The fourth lesson is organizing thoughts clearly. Here, Alex discussed the significance of structuring thoughts into clear points by organizing messages into 2 to 3 main ideas. Individuals can communicate more effectively and make their ideas easier for listeners to follow. The fifth lesson is effective pause. Alex teaches the power of pause in speech. Properly place pause at the end of sentences and between key ideas enhance clarity and impact, allowing listeners to process the information better. The sixth lesson is avoiding fillers. In this lesson, viewers learn about the negative effect of fillers like and you know. Alex encouraged replacing fillers with confident pause, which help maintain a clear and authoritative tone. Uh, the seventh lesson is confident nonverbal communication. The final lesson focuses on the importance of nonverbal cues in communication. Alex shares strategies such as maintaining eye contact, avoiding abstract, and using smiles to project confidence. These elements help reinforce the spoken message and create a stronger connection with the audience. Overall, the course encourages participants to practice these strategies regularly to develop more concise, clear, and confident communication skills for their professional endeavors. Uh, Thank you for watch my video. Sorry if there any mistaken that I make. That's all for me, I think. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.